So here it is, guys. 10 days of work. So machine was fully polished. The sides were resprayed. Have a look at this. Tire shine on between the treads, also everywhere here. I actually never done this before. All the wheels clean. Tire shine on the front tires. Pickup was resprayed. Have a look at the quality. She's a little bit dusty now. Looks nice. All plastic. All plastics polished. Looking good actually. I'll try to zoom it. Here we go. So let me show you what we resprayed. Hopefully you'll be able to see the change. So there's the resprayed, side resprayed, no signage. Mark was polished. And that's moving to the cabin. It's gonna be a short one this time. I didn't record how I do it. Okay, the stairs. Fire extinguisher was polished, all the rails were polished, side polished, top polished, nice and clean here. All the exhaust pipes were polished and all the chrome also polished. It's like brand new. She's only 2 years old. Look at the shine here. Also polished. And here is how she looks like inside. Except that I didn't wash the seats, everything else was done, including washing the mat. It's the special mat. 50 years. So have a look. Nice and clean. Everything polished. Glass is clean. Steering wheel clean. Look at this. Nice and clean. Fridge clean. All seems to be good, and I hope that the customer will be happy. This is actually going to a rally driver, James Dunphy. I'm gonna add a short video of his skills from the forestry championship. As he's only taking part in forestry championship, Irish forestry championship, so he is a good driver. Alright guys, so thank you very much. I'm gonna catch her one more time from outside just to show you how she looks like. Jesus, I don't really walk over the stairs because they are so nice. So the same here. Absolutely everything was polished like never before. New hook. I refurbished. Nice right corner. Let me show you here. So this was polished. Battery clean. The same other side. Toolbox nicely clean. Thank you very much for watching, guys. There is a reason to celebrate as we hit over 100 subscribers, and let's hope 4,000 soon. So that's her. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.